Draw an angle of 50 degrees. Construct its angle bisector using a compass. So let's begin. For this, you need a ruler, a protractor, and a compass. Use a pencil and begin by drawing a ray. Let's draw a ray first. A ray has a fixed point on one side and an arrowhead on the other. So we are showing the arrowhead and a fixed point. Let's name this ray as ray BA. BC. After drawing the ray, we are going to take the measure of 50 degrees on the protractor. We have to place the center of the protractor on point B. You can see that there are two scales, inner scale and outer scale. Beginning from 0 degrees. Wherever the arrowhead is present, you need to measure from that particular end, because the angle opens over there. So we will be placing it on B and measuring from point C, the inner scale. So we place the protractor on point B as it is the fixed point. You cannot place it on C. There's an arrowhead over there. So the angle opens from point C to 50 degrees. We are marking it. So let's mark it 50 degrees. And after marking, you take a scale and join point B to the point you have marked. So you draw that ray and name it ray BA. So now your angle is complete, angle ABC, which measures 50 degrees. Now we go to angle bisector. For that you need a compass. You will be placing the steel point on B. You can see the steel point. You will be placing it on B. Take sufficient distance, any suitable distance as you like. Place your steel point on B, that is the vertex of the angle, and draw an arc on both the arms of the angle. You can see I am drawing an arc on both the arms of the angle, and there are 2 points where these arcs are meeting the arms. So I am going to mark it. Okay, you can see I have marked 2 points. Now take the same distance what we had taken earlier on the compass, and placing the steel point on one of those points, you draw an arc. Place it on the other arm. Again, draw an arc which is intersecting. So here you are getting an intersecting arc. Now mark the point of intersection. Yes, the point of intersection. You are going to name it as point D and then join the vertex B to point D. This divides the angle into 2 equal parts. The ray which emerges from here, that is the ray BD, divides the angle into 2 equal parts. So here you can see angle ABC is equal to 50 degrees, and ray BD divides the angle into 2 equal parts. It is dividing angle ABC into 2 equal parts. So we call ray BD as the angle bisector. So ray BD makes the angle bisector. So I hope children, you all are going to draw more angles and bisect them.